Showing you how to use Forma by Autodesk. So Forma is a good software to use to get real-time environmental analysis of a certain site. So architects and designers would use this to create buildings which are more sustainable. First things first, we'll go into Autodesk. We'll hit the first link here, Autodesk Australia. We'll then click up here, sign in. So once you've entered your sign-in details, we can go back to our profile. We'll click on products and services. So in the search bar here, we'll search for Forma, and then we'll hit access. Then once we're in the home page of Forma, we'll click on create new site. Then up here we can name our site, so I'll just name it Swinburne Analysis. And then here it'll ask for an address. So here I'll search for Swinburne University Hawthorne, the first link here. We'll click it and it'll take us to the site. And then here we can choose our extent. So by zooming in and out, you can get closer or further away. If you go too close, it won't let you. So just make sure it's just outside of that red zone. I'll click on confirm map. And once it loads up, it'll give you a flat terrain by default. But we can then start bringing other contextual objects into our site. Contextual data. As you can see here, we have different data packs. So we have flat terrains, we have more hilly terrains, we have OSM buildings, roads, property parcels, trees, and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and add OSM buildings. So just click add, and then again we'll choose our extents. So I'd say maybe about that. That's all right. So I'll click order. Then I'll go back. I'll also order the roads. So click add on the roads. Same extents. I'll click order. And then when we go back to our main page, we can see that it starts loading up the roads and the buildings. So that's how it's looking. So once we've brought in the buildings and the roads and whatever else you want to bring in, on the right here we have a few tools that can help us generate even more buildings. So let's say we have a concept building and maybe we want to draw like a conceptual form. So we can go into the tools here and we can click on buildings and start sketching some blocks. So you can do that as well, or you can even import some of your own files by clicking the library here and then clicking import. I'm going to keep it as is for now, and we'll start doing some analysis. So if you look over here, we can see different types of analysis. So sun hours, daylight potential, wind, microclimate, and so on. So some of these take a while to load up, maybe a few hours even. So for this example, I'm just going to click on the sun hours. Then you can choose your date. So you can set whatever date you want. You can set the day as well. And then you'd hit run analysis. Okay, once it's finished, it'll tell you that the analysis is complete, and then we can click on open analysis. All right. So, um, so now it's given us a little color chart down here to show you how many hours the building receives, how many hours sunlight. So if we look the different shades of color, so we can see the yellow is about 9 hours, and if you go all the way to darker colors, it'll be less than an hour to maybe an hour. So that's just an example of what Forma can do for you. There are some other ones you can do as well. But just, yeah, keep in mind that some of these take a very long time to load up. I think this tool is very helpful. I've used it in the past for my site analysis, so give it a go. Thank you.